Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 1st, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. So it's a lot of puzzles for a day. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first Sudoku is a 3 star Sudoku number 9008. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this 3 stars has truly 25 printed digits, yes. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. Then let me see. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 there. Come on. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left, 8 should be there. I need an 8 here. I need an 8 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. Another 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. One of the missing number in this column. The second column is number 2. Well, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this column, second column, should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2. And we have a pair again. The 1 and the 2 in the first row. The 1 and the 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 3, 6, and then 9. Okay. 9. Then let me see. Which number can I pick? 7 and 6. How about need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 6, need a 5, need a 7. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 4, 6, 6, 6. 1. Come on. 5, need a 5 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 Could be here, could be there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. Okay. 1, 2, 8. I'm thinking. 2, 3, 3, 3, 7. Ay. 4 here. 4. 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 9. 9, 4, and 6 and 7. Thinking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these. 3 boxes here. 3 in the last row. No 3 in those. 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Shoot me down. 3, 3. Okay. Then 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in these. 3 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah, 4. Need a 6 and a 7. Okay. So we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. And we have a 3 in the last row. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. And a 3 in the row above. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing here. Yeah, the 7. So I need a 9, the 4, and I need a 6. 9, 4, 6. 9, 4, 6. 9, 4, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. 1, 4, and a 6. Okay. So we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in the last row. 6 in that row. So the row between. No, need to place level 6 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair should be the 7 and 5. Yeah, 7 and 5. I'm missing 1, 4, and 6, 7 and 5. So 1 digit left. I believe the 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. I only 2 place level 7. Could be here, could be there. 1, 3, and need a 6 here in the middle column. Could be here, could be there. Then let me see. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 there. Well, in this column, we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this row. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this row. No 4 there. And there can be 4. We have 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the only place level 4 should be there. I need a 1 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see another 1 in this row. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1 and 3. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those. 3 and 6. Five missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes here. 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So we need a 9 here. And I need a 6 there. 3 and a 6. That means 2 numbers left here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and a 7. Okay. 4, 4, 4. No 7 here. 7 and 3, 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle second column. So the third column. The only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9. Well, complicated. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 6 in 1. That box should be 6 and this box should be 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then 7, 5, and I need an 8 there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 7 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. 6 and a 9. Here, 1 and the 9 are left. 1, 6 and a 9. 1, 6 and a 9. Will be difficult. 1, 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. I need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so row below. Only 2 places level 7. Could be here. Could be there. 1, 7, and the 6 is missing. 1, 7, and the, well, we have a 7 here, so 1 and a 6 here. And need a 7, 1 and a 6. Well. How about here then? 4 and a 7. Come on. Need a 9. No 9 here. 6 and a 9 overlooked. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now, so this box should be a 4. 4 and 6. We have a 4 there, so this box should be 6. So the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. I need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 6. So the 9 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 over 9, we have a 9 there, so this box should be a 6. 1 over 9, we have a 1 there, so this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And what? 7. Oh, we have the 7, the 6 then. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 14 minutes. Whoa. Well, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Not 3, not 2. Let me give this 1. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.